Hi, my name is Mark Hill. I'm the VP responsible for business intelligence for Hitachi Consulting in the UK. So for me, the shopping particle is the point at which a retailer and a customer transact. So up until that point, there are many different things happening. There are many events that lead up to that point of actually transacting. And it's about understanding what is unique for your organization and where your strengths are and how you can guide your customers to that point where they transact. And for me, that is a shopping particle. The key challenge that retailers are facing in the market today is change. Retail has been very staid in some ways for a long period of time. You build a store, you sell some goods, you transition into websites, you go multi-channel. But technology is enabling the consumer to move much more quickly in terms of making decisions, researching products, and retailers need to stay relevant. And if you look around at the marketplace, the retailers that have stayed relevant and understood their customers and are on top of their data, so say Amazon or Tesco's, they really understand their data and their customer, and that's where retailers will drive success. Okay, so the importance for retailers to understand their customer is essentially to give them a better service and to actually give them products that are applicable to them and that they'll want to buy. If we look at other industries, and particularly in finance, where Hitachi Consulting have had a lot of success, we see the finance industry at the point of sale, there will be equipped with a lot of information. So take a bank clerk, for instance, they will know credit score, they will know what you bought from the bank before, they will know something about you as an individual, which means that they're able to actually structure their offering to you. So I think retailers need to take that next step and be able to understand their customers. And if we look around what the transition has been from anonymous customers walking into a store and doing a transaction, and that information about that transaction has been held by the merchants, the card providers, and we're seeing that information now being available to the retailers because of new technologies like NFR or mobility. And I think if retailers can take advantage of that data, they're going to be well placed for the future. So one of the new challenges I think for 2013 will be improving the experience through apps, for instance. So if we look around at the marketplace, customers are now expecting tailored applications on devices, and it doesn't need to be just the phone, it can be tablet, it can be the desktop. Technology-wise, you're seeing Microsoft moving away from having an operating system to a bunch of applications that run on the desktop, and retailers having their presence on that desktop as an app and being able to structure an experience back to their customer that's highly relevant is something that I think retailers will need to take on in 2013. So recently, Philip Clark of Tesco's has said that apps are the way forward for retailers, and he sees very much that the personalisation of that shopping experience is going to be important for the future in 2013. So there are a few top retailers in the UK that we're currently working with. Bowden, Tesco's, Experian are good examples of where we've actually worked with those organisations to help them unlock the value of their data. We want to actually come talk to you about your specific pain points. We've done market research, we've got a lot of great ideas, we've got great ideas from other industries that we want to bring into the retail sector. We've got our own thoughts and feelings about what works and what doesn't work, but what we really want to do is come talk to you, understand your business. Every business and every retailer has specific pain points. They're all different. Some are around multi-channel, some are around stock, some are around the website experience, and each one of those things that currently doesn't work in your organization will be one part of that shopping particle. So if we can come talk to you, we can talk through your particular pain points and perhaps help you then bring together all the elements so you can create your own shopping particle.